Testing of Fuji Differential Pressure Transmitter. The transmitter has been set to a calibration range of input signal according to the request of the customer. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply, a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output. By manipulating the input signal, the unit reacts accordingly, and at the lowest set point, the output is 4 milliamp, and at the highest set point, the output is 20 milliamp. It is now clear that the transmitter is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.